Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we're going to discuss about the South Korea scholarships for Masters and PhD. So we'll discuss about how to apply to the WENS KIT scholarship for international students, and this is from the Common National Institute of Technology KIT, and the scholarship is WENS. And we'll show you full process for this. Deadline is 17th of May, so you have a few days left for this opportunity to apply, as we have already shown you published this scholarship before 10 or 12 days, but still you have the time left to apply. This is a reminder video as well. So we'll show you full process. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe our YouTube channel for scholarships, and the link for this WENS KIT South Korea scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out the videos. There are descriptions and links for each of the scholarship is given in the respective descriptions, as well as in the about section of the YouTube. You can see link is also given there, and you can also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships, and the link for the scholarships are also given in the video description as well as the Instagram bio here. And you can scan the QR code on the Instagram posts, and it will take you the same scholarship that you are looking for. Meanwhile, you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmelook.com, and once you're on the website, you can read about this scholarship here. So you can see the scholarship coverage. It covers, it's a full tuition fee is covered, medical expenses covered, monthly stipend of 850 to 950 US dollars for PhD, and 600 to 650 US dollars per month for the masters. So it's a lot of amount. And then the research areas that you can complete, you can see there are topics mentioned here, and the scholarship requirements you can see, the necessity documents and eligibility criteria you should fulfill. And in the documents, CV, formal English course certifications, and the transcripts and research plan. That's it. Now, how do you apply? Simply, there is a simple process. You don't have to fill any form. You don't have to do anything. Just you have to mail and attach the documents, and the email ID is mentioned here. So if you have questions about this scholarship, they are given here. So you can click on this link here, and you can read the PDF here. So once you click on that, you can see WENS scholarship frequently asked questions. Here you can see, and all the questions are here. So what does this WENS scholarship offer? Is it enough for the living expenses? So you can see full tuition fees until the graduation, and monthly stipend is also given. Then accommodation, uh, it depends on which accommodation will be provided. There will be might be limited facilities, but they will be providing you. And then there is an age limit, so no age limit is there, and you can apply easily. There are no certain restrictions in this, and only uh, English certifications as well as the application will be accepted through the email. Then, do you need the test scores? Yes, you do need. Here are the test scores that you need. And type of scholarships, you can see type A, type B, 100% and 50% scholarships. Then lab projects for the individuals, they will be also mentioned here. And if you have any other things to know, so you can directly visit the official website here. So now let's click on this link so that we know the process for the application. So click on this link here. Now, once you click on that, you can see official website is here. Here on the right side, you can see South Korean language instructions, and on the right hand side, you can see the application. So you can see for fall 2024 PhD and MS PhD integrated will be prioritized. So you can see application deadline 17th of May, requirements bachelor's degree and CGPA, then formal English scores, and here you can see the required documents: CV, English score certificate, transcript, statement of purpose or a motivation letter, then research plan. So all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these two are optional, but you have to submit. I recommend submitting them. So 5 documents you have to attach to the mail and send the documents to this email. So you can see document here. So the email is here. Make these documents just basic documents, send it in the attachment to this email, and that's how you fill the application. Simple application, no need to fill the forms, no hectic processes. Just attach the documents to this email, mention the subject application for the uh, PhD or MS, whichever you are applying to. So you can mention that the application process you are applying to. So mention in the subject, mention description that you are applying for this, and choose any of the topics you wish to. You can like if you choose any of the like radio access technologies, so you can make SOP according to that. If you want to go for the augmented reality, so you can just make a research proposal, plan outlay of that, and you can just make the research proposal out of that topic, whichever you are adaptable to, whichever you wish to opt for, go for the research. You can just make a research proposal for that, send it as an attachment along with the SOP transcript and the English certificates and the CV and basic documents that you need, these five. So you have to send it as attachment and then send an email, compose an email to this email ID, and that's how you fill the application form. Simple and basic application form. This video was short and precise because we wanted to save your time because the deadline is very close. So you should apply quickly because there is no such hectic process. So just attach these documents to this email, send it before 17th of May. I hope you have no doubts now left. If you still have, you can just comment down below the video. Our team is there to answer you, but I recommend subscribing first and then commenting because it helps us easily to find your question and answer that, because some of the questions, if you don't follow, if you don't subscribe, they remain in the spam and they are hidden in the comments, so we do not see them easily, so we had to filter out that which comments are hidden, so there are less chances of the getting answer from the team. So please do subscribe and share this video and do follow, then comment and write the comment below the video, or you can directly message us. Once you follow on Instagram, you can directly message our team there, so it's available 24 hours. Easiest way to reach us is our website fullscholarships.net. Meanwhile, you can also convert your CGPA and you can convert a percentage, what is the CGPA required, and all the things that you need to have. You can just convert them here. We have launched the tool here, so you can see if you choose CGPA, like for South Korea it's 4 skill, like if you have percentage, like my percentage is 89.5, 89.5, so I'll just mention that, and now you can click on convert. You can see my CGPA is 3.58 and my GPA is also 3.58, and here is the percentage. Now it's a scale 4. If you want to use for scale 5, you can click on that, you can click on convert, and you can see CGPA is 4.47, GPA is 3.58, and for South Korea you can see it's 4 scale is accepted, so you can click on convert and you can check 3.58 is my CGPA if my percentage is this. So similarly, you can enter your percentage, you can enter your GPA, you can choose the scales here, whatever is, you can just mention that. And also, if you don't find it here, so we have given the scales here, so you can just calculate through the formulas here. You can use these formulas and get your GPA and percentage calculated. Some universities have certified scores, for example, like US, you can see you can choose the US, and they have particular CGPA methods, so you can enter that and their CGPA system will be shown, so you can click on convert as well and it should show there. So no need to worry, just comment down below the video if you have doubts. If you can't convert your CGPA to GPA or percent, you can just use this calculator. If you are not able to use this calculator, just message us, we'll convert that for you. No need to worry at all, just message us on Instagram. But before messaging, do remember to subscribe and share this video, and keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day. Visit our website fullscholarships.net and there are all the scholarships that you need. Keep watching. Have a nice day.